Welcome class. Today's topic is pin details of 8051 microcontroller. 8051 microcontroller was designed by Intel in 1980s. It is 40 pin IC and works on 5 volt power supply. It is available in different packages like DIP, QFP, etc. In a DIP package, it's dual inline package. It has two parallel rows of electrical connecting pins with rectangular housing. And in QFP is a quite flat package. Quite means 4. It has surface mounted integrated circuit package with Gullwing leads extending from each of the 4 sides. We see in the picture that leads on all the 4 sides. Picture shows the pin diagram of 8051 microcontroller. We see it is 40 pin IC and each side contain 20 pins. This is a schematic pin diagram of the 8051 microcontroller. Microcontroller has 4 ports P0, P1, P2 and P3 and each has 8 bit. So total 32 pins are connected for 4 ports. 32 pins for input output port. So remaining pins are 40 minus 32 equal to 8 pins. So remaining 8 pins are VCC for ground, VSS for supply, 2 crystal oscillator pin XTAL1 and XTAL2, RST for reset, PACN for program store enable, ALE for address latch enable and EA is for external access. Now we will discuss each pin. First is VCC, that is the power supply pin number 40. This provides 5 volt supply, current drawn 125 milliampere and the maximum power dissipation about 1 watt. Next pin number 20, that is VSS for ground pin for supply. All the voltages are specified with respect to this pin. Pin number 9, reset pin denoted by RST. We see at pin number 9 denoted by RST. This is for reset the microcontroller. When we reset the microcontroller, all the values in register are lost. So the reset values of registers like PC program counter, ACC accumulator, B register B, PSW program status word, DPTR data pointer is 0000H. But the content of the register stack pointer SP is 0007H. Means after reset operation, all the register value are 0H, but stack pointer is initialized to 07H. Next pin number 30, that is ALE address latch enable. This is used for demultiplexing the address and data bus. Port 0 provides multiplexing low byte of address bus A0 to A7 and data bus D0 to D7. And this ALE pin is used for demultiplexing the address and data bus. When ALE is equal to 1, port 0 used as address bus A0 to A7, and when ALE is equal to 0, then port 0 which has 8 pins used as a data bus. ALE is activated periodically with constant rate of 1/6 of oscillator frequency. Next is EA bar, that is external access pin number 31, which is connected either VCC or ground. When EA bar is connected to VCC, that means it's high, then 8051 can execute program from internal program memory till 0FFFH. There is no need of external ROM. But when EA bar is equal to 0, that means connected to ground, then microcontroller can execute from external memory only. Next is PSEN bar, that is program store enable, pin number 29, used to enable external program memory. In the picture we see the external program ROM memory is 64K and PSEN bar is connected to the OE bar pin of 64K program ROM. It is activated low pin, active low pin. ROM have program code, not data code. ROM have program code contain and connected to the PSEN pin through OE bar. PSEN pin connected to EA pin. PSEN bar equal to 0, and when EA bar is equal to 0, then PSEN connected to OE bar. That means it fetch the opcode from external ROM. But when jab PSEN bar is equal to 0 and EA bar is equal to 1, then chip cannot perform PSEN pin, and PSEN pin means not activated. When PSEN bar equal to 1, not 0, equal to 1 during execution of program from internal ROM. Execution of program from internal ROM. Next, pin number 18 and 19 is XTAL2 and XTAL1. This is used for, both pin are used for connecting external oscillator, and oscillator is used to generate clock frequency. Generally, a quartz crystal oscillator is connected in between the XTAL1 and XTAL2 denoted by X1. XTAL1 is the input to inverting oscillator amplifier, and XLAT-2 is output to inverting oscillator amplifier. It also needs two capacitors of 30 picofarad. One side of each capacitor is connected to the ground. See in the picture, one side of each capacitor connected to the ground. Only quartz crystal oscillator X1 is connected with microcontroller externally, and the remaining oscillator circuit components are incorporated in chip itself. Oscillators generate the basic timing clock signal of frequency 1 MHz to 20 MHz. When we need higher speed of microcontroller, needs processing has to be faster, then we use higher speed frequency. When we need lower processing, means speed lower ho, then lower frequency crystal oscillator we used. Then 4 ports are present in 8051 microcontroller. Port 0 has 8 bit. Each bit contain pin. So port 0 have pin number 32 to pin number 39. It is 8-bit bidirectional input-output port pins, bit addressable, and given an address in SFR address range. It acts as multiplex to low order address data bus AD7 to AD0. We already discussed when ALE is equal to 0, then it provides data bus D7 to D0, and when ALE is equal to 1, it is used as address bus A0 to A7. It is an open drain input output circuit. Next, pin number 1 to 8, that is port 1. This pin used either as input or output port. 8-bit quasi bidirectional bit, addressable port, bit addressable port. Given an address in SFR range, user should configure if either as an input or an output port. When we write, it writes 1 to all its 8 bit, then this port acts as input port, and when it writes 0 to all its 8 bits, then it acts as output port. No dual function allowed. Port 2 has pin number 21 to pin number 28. It is 8-bit quasi bidirectional bit, bit addressable input output port, given an address in SFR address range also. It generates higher 8-bit of address A8 to A15. If ALE is equal to 1 and EA bar is equal to 0, then for external program and data memory access. Port 3 is also a pin number 10 to pin number 17. It has 8-bit bidirectional bit addressable input output port. There are some other functions are multiplexed with port 3. In port 3, the alternative functions are for 0 pin, port 3.0 pin act as serial input data pin. P3.1 act as serial output data pin. Pin 3.2 that act as external interrupt pin. Pin 3.3 act as external interrupt input pin. P3.4 act as external interrupt input to timer 0. 5 is interrupt input to timer 1. 6 act as write control signal for external data memory WR bar, and 7 pin act as read control signal for external data memory read operation RD bar. Thank you. This is all the pin details of 8051 microcontroller. In the next lecture, we will discuss in detail about the input output port present in microcontroller P0, P1, P2 and P3. Thank you.